Hello guys, welcome back, and today I am going to show you how to make this triangle shape crochet pattern. Okay, so it's very simple and let's get onto it. Hello guys, so today I'm going to use my 4mm hook and my 8-ply acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to make our slip knot and insert our hook, and I'm going to chain 3. Okay, and we are going to double crochet into the first chain that we made. Okay, so we have three there. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn our work, and we are going to double crochet into the first chain. Okay, so we are going to make 2 double crochet plus the chain 2, count as 1 double crochet, so we have 3 there, and we are going straight into the next. Okay, so the last stitch of, or the third stitch of this chain 3 here, we're going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, so chain 2 and into the first stitch. Okay, we are adding 2 double crochet. Okay, so we have 3 there, and into the middle stitch. Okay, so what I like to do is in the last, okay, you can put here, it will just open it up. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so it will open it up. So what I'd like to do is into the last, okay, so the last stitch, okay, of our double crochet, into the top of our double crochet, I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and into the last stitch 3 double crochet. Okay, so chain 2 and into the first add 2 more double crochet, and into the top of double crochet of the third double crochet, we're going to put 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and into this 3 double crochet group on top of it, and the last one we're going to put 3 double crochet. And on the last stitch here on the top, we're going to make our 3 double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, guys, okay, so we are just making our triangle. So chain 2, you can just go as far as you would like, okay, with your size. But this is how I make mine. I use this especially with like a dress top or a crop top, you know. So you just have to make 2 pieces of this, and if you want your back to be like this as well, you have to make 4. Okay, and into the last one, three double crochet. Okay, chain 2, and the same thing. We're just going to continue doing that. Okay, so one more, and then next here, as I mentioned before, working in this space, okay, it's up to you. You can put 1 double crochet, one chain, so you have a space there, or you can just insert there, but for me, I like this way because it doesn't give you much opening, as you can see. Just doing that, it gives you a tiny bit, but it's not really noticeable, okay, compared to making a chain, and there will be a gap. Okay, so for me, I like this way. Okay, so just continue this, and as I mentioned before, yeah, if you want to make a dress or a top, and you want to use this is really easy. Okay, so you just have to continue doing this, and work with your size. Okay, so the more you go, the more rows you go, the bigger, okay, it will be. So I will try to work a small size. And you can even use these guys to create your own bikini, especially if you will be putting a lining. This will work, and especially if you want like just a triangle top, okay, because this will give you the support. Okay, so it curves, so it gives you the support, but you just have to put a lining or a cup. Okay, so we'll just continue this, and I'm going to stop when it's for a size S or extra small. Because this is very very simple. It's a group of 3. And you can adjust for your liking as well. Okay, so this tutorial is just making a triangle, okay, for bra cup or a top. A crop top. Okay, so 2, and we add maybe 2 more rows. And this will be perfect. For us extra small and small. And even when you want to make, micro bikini, okay, making micro bikini, they use like just a triangle shape just to cover that up, okay. And you can as well adjust with your stitching, okay. Most of it they use, you know, single crochet or half double crochet, and if you're using like a small hooks. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is for like small, okay. You can add, it depends on your size, as I mentioned, okay. So this is how I make my triangle, okay, pattern, okay. So thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like it. And yeah, you can adjust, okay. You can adjust your size. You just have to continue, and then you just have to like measure it to yourself. And that's it. So thank you, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.